Hi, this is Bertha. She's our 1988 Ford Transit Mark III camper van. She's got a 1.6 litre Pinto petrol engine. To be honest, that's pretty much it. We picked her up completely gutted and with some of the usual problems of being a 30-year-old Ford. The plan is to fix her up, get her waterproof and then get her MOT'd. We'd like to take you along with us. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, the Camper Vansit. There you can follow us as we cut, sand, grind, oil, weld, glue, paint and fiberglass her back to life. If you've got any ideas or anything you'd like us to cover, or if you've got any Ford Transit how-to questions, please get in touch.